Question number 16, paper 1, grade 1, June 2011. We have to solve the equation 5x upon x plus 1 minus 2 upon x minus 1 is equal to 8. First, we rewrite the equation. It is 5x upon x plus 1 minus 2 upon x minus 1 is equal to 8. There are two fractions and one fraction is subtracting from the other one. So, we take the LCM. And in LCM, we just write the both denominator in the form of multiplication, and then this number divided by the second denominator multiplied with the first numerator. So it is 5x multiplied by x minus 1, and the minus 2 is here, and this numerator multiplied with the denominator of the first one. So x plus 1. So it was the LCM, and the 8 is there. Now 5x multiplied by x, so that we can open the bracket, it must be 5x square. 5x multiplied by x is 5x square minus 5x multiplied by 1 is 5x, minus 2 multiplied by x is minus 2x, and minus plus minus 2 ones are 2, divided by x multiplied by x is x square, and x multiplied by minus 1 is minus x, plus 1 multiplied by x is plus x, and plus 1 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 1, plus minus minus 1 1 1 is equal to 8. Now simplify it, so it is 5x square minus 5x and minus 2x become minus 7x, minus 2 is remain there, and the minus x and plus x is cancelled, so it become x square minus 1 is equal to 8. Further it can be written as 5x square minus 7x minus 2 is equal to 8 multiplied by x square minus 1. The both number multiplying with the 8, so we write bracket here. Further 5x square minus 7x minus 2 is equal to 8x square minus 8, or we may write 5x square minus 8x square minus 7x minus 2 and minus plus 8. Minus 8 goes to the right, to the left, to the across the sign of equal to, so the sign of minus 8 become plus 8 is equal to 0, and it was the plus 8x square, so it becomes minus x square when it comes across the sign of equal to. Further 5x square minus 8x square become minus 3x square, and minus 7x and the plus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 2 plus 8 is plus 6. So multiply the whole equation by minus 2, minus 1, multiply whole equation by minus 1, so it become 3x square plus 7x minus 6 is equal to 0. Actually there was minus 3x square, and we have to convert this number into plus, so that we can conveniently apply quadratic formula. So 6 multiplied by 3 become 18, 6 3 is 18, and when we take the LCM of the 18, so it is 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. So the factor of 18 become 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1, so it is 18, and 6 3s are 18, and 6 7 3 9, and 9 2s are, and 3 3s are 9. So 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, multiplied by 2 is equal to 18, and 9 multiplied by 2 is 18, and when 9 minus 2 becomes 7. So we have found the two factor, so it is 3x square and plus, and actually it is middle term break. We have to solve this through middle term break, and the middle term can be break by taking LCM of these two numbers. When they multiply, 6 multiplied by 3 become 18, and we take the LCM, so two factors we take as when we multiply it become 18, and when we subtract or add it becomes 7. So 3x square is remain as sign of plus, we take as it is, and the larger number is 9, so we take 9x, and the minus 2x it become, when we add the two numbers it become plus 7x, minus 6 remains same. So we have actually middle term break has been taken. Here 7x can be written as plus 9x minus 2x, so it can be when add it becomes 7x, and when you multiply plus minus minus 9 to the 18, 6 multiplied by 18 x square. Now 4 terms are there, so we take 2 pair, we make the pair of 2 each, so that we can take the common. Now 3x square plus 9x, we take 3x as a common, and the remaining is x is here plus 3 is here, because when you multiply 3x by 3 it becomes 9x. Minus 2 can be taken as common, and x plus 3 remain here is equal to 0. Minus 2x, when you multiply by 2 by x, so it becomes minus 2x, and minus plus minus 2 3 is 6. Now the common in the one term and the second term, in the both term, x plus 3 is taken as common, x plus 3 is taken as common, and the remaining is 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So it can be further written as x plus 3 is equal to 0, and the comma 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x can be written as minus 3, and 3x can be written as 2, and x can be written as 2 upon 3. So two value of x we have found, one is minus 3 and other is 2 upon 3. What is the question? Still there is any problem, you may write in comment, I will reply you inshallah.